Hello and welcome to this video that will show you how to wear a raincoat. How to wear a raincoat. A raincoat, as the name suggests, is an item of clothing that you put on yourself in order to protect you from the rain. It is extremely important to wear a raincoat at all times, particularly if you're indoors, otherwise you could get wet. You see, this is what happens when you don't wear a raincoat. I am soaked now. In order to wear a raincoat, you will first need to see what one looks like, so I'll just show you what one looks like. This is a raincoat right here. I will now begin the description process of said raincoat. Now, the first thing that you're going to notice about the raincoat is that it is very dark and drab in colour, and the reason for that is to reflect the weather when it is raining, which is often dark and drab. Now, this particular raincoat has some very interesting features. First of all, you'll notice it has one of these. And this is called a sleeve, and you can put body parts inside of the sleeve if you like. It is very fortunate because this particular raincoat has two sleeves. First one here, and there's also one here. That's quite neat. Another magnificent feature about this raincoat is that it comes with a zip. Right here. And I'll show you what that does a bit later on. The description of the raincoat is now complete. Now that you have seen a raincoat with your very own eyes, I will now show you how to wear the raincoat. Now, there are a lot of ways in which you can wear a raincoat, and that is a cool feature of the raincoat, but we need to remember the purpose of the raincoat is to protect us from the rain. So we have to think about various body parts that we need to protect. Do we want to protect our head? Do we want to protect our shoulders? Do we want to protect our knees? Do we want to protect our toes? It's completely up to you, but that is something you need to think about very carefully. If, for example, you want to protect your shoulder from getting wet, the best thing will be to put the coat on your shoulder, and then it will be protected from the rain. So I'll just show you how to do that. What you'll want to do, grab the coat like that. Grab it with two hands, if you have to, why not? And then just do this, and then do that, and then just put it on your shoulder, like this. So as we can see, the rain is coming down, but it's not falling on my shoulder. My shoulder is perfectly bone dry. The rest of my body is soaked, but this side is dry, because I'm wearing the raincoat. If, for example, you want to protect your head from the rain, then it's just a simple case of putting the raincoat directly on your head. Once again, my head is protected from the rain. Now, things get a little more tricky if you're looking to protect your legs from the rain, because you'll need to be lying down when you apply the raincoat. So I'll just show you how to do that. What you'll need to do is lie down. Just get really comfortable, like this. And then what you'll want to do is to put the raincoat directly over your legs, like this. So you need to lift your legs up in the air, like that. And now you can just lie back free from worry and care, because your legs will be dry, because they're not going to get wet now. The raincoat is protecting them. The issue that you'll find with this technique is that you'll have to put your legs up in the air like this. It's the only way around it to protect them from getting wet. I can't think of any other way to protect your legs, unfortunately, from the rain, so you'll just have to keep doing this. It's a bit tedious, I know, but if you want to protect your legs, this is the only way to do it, I'm afraid. Now, there is one final way in which you can protect multiple areas of your body from the rain. And I'll just show you how to quickly wear your raincoat in order to do that. So you'll need to get the sleeves, as mentioned. Just find the sleeves. Here's a sleeve. So you just put the sleeve over your arm, like that. Okay, that's one done. and then get the other one, like that, and then put the sleeve with your arm inside it, again like that, and then you need to get the zip, as we mentioned earlier. This is where the zip comes in handy, and then get the other zip, and then like you do it up, and you go like that, and then you just go like this, and then you just do the zip up, just like that. Don't force it if the zip's not going up anymore, just leave it be, just let it do its own thing, and then you just put your head through it like that, and you should be a little more protected from the elements. So this is the best technique to use for that. Don't worry if you're unable to put on your raincoat first time around. This is just a demonstration of how to do it. It will take you much longer to learn, much longer. So don't worry about it, just take your time, there's no rush, unless it's raining, in which you probably should panic a little, because then you'll get wet. If there is another tutorial that you need help with, and would like me to teach you about it, then please feel free to let me know, and I'll do my very best to teach you all about the topic of your choice. Now I'm going to go off now and put on my raincoat and enjoy the weather, so I'll catch you all later. See you. Put this on. Oh, it's really coming down. Very lucky that I have this raincoat to protect me. There we go, I'm protected now. Do your worst. Getting soaked.